Hello everyone, welcome to Asha Coding. I am Asha Satik. Today we are going to learn what is containing black. Containing black in CSS. Okay, let us go to the class. What is containing black? For all HTML and elements, for all HTML elements, the direct parent element is the containing black. Then what is the uses of containing black in CSS? By using some CSS properties. We can change the containing black. That some ancestor element will act as a parent. Some ancestor element will act as a parent. The containing black is used for to calculate the percentage values of width, height, padding, margin, and the reference point for top, bottom, left, right, offset properties. I repeat, what is the uses of containing black? Containing black is used to calculate the percentage values of width, height, padding, and margin, and it will be act as a reference point to the offset properties top, bottom, left, right. So I again repeat, all CSS, all HTML elements are direct parent to their descendants. All HTML elements are direct parent to that elements. But by using some CSS property, we can change the parent to an element. Some ancestor elements will act as a parent. From that parent element only, the percentage values of some properties are calculated. Okay, let us go to the class. Normally, in normal document flow, all parent elements will act as a containing black. Normal document flow, all parent element will act as a containing black for their descendants or direct childs. Descendant elements are direct childs. But in using some CSS property, we can remove some elements from the normal document flow. Those elements are positioned elements using the position property. Positioned elements will leave the normal document flow, and by using some CSS property, they will take the percentage values from their ancestor elements. Okay. Position static, all elements are position static, so they are still in the normal document flow. And the position absolute, position relative, position fixed, and position sticky, these for these elements where the percentage values will be calculated. Okay, we see. You see, position property has 5 values: static, absolute, relative, fixed, and sticky. Static is normal elements, they are still in the normal document flow. Remaining absolute, relative, fixed, and sticky elements will leave the normal document flow, and they take space in the element they take space in the web page by using some CSS properties. They can be positioned at anywhere in the web page. For static elements, their direct parent will act as a containing block. For static element, the direct parent will act as a containing block. For absolute element, if there is any ancestor element with the position value other than static, then that parent will act as a containing block. If there is no such ancestor element, then body element will act as a containing block. Relative element, they will act as the direct parent element will act as a containing block, and it will act for a containing block for that children. For fixed, the element leaves the normal document flow and comes near to the viewport. Viewport will act as a containing block. It will extend to the viewport. Sticky element. For sticky element, it is also the direct child will act as a containing block. For all element, we give some box model. You see, 5 boxes are created. You see, 5 boxes are created. Red, blue, pink, purple, green. Under the static elements, containing blocks the direct parent only. Static elements the containing block is the direct parent only will act as a containing block. Okay, for absolute element, first we make this and we make this element absolute. This will extend to fully to the 50 percentage. We give 50 percentage. So the viewport body element normally extend fully to the viewport only. So the viewport is the full screen, and this width is 50 percentage. If you give 100 percentage, it will extend fully. This is the body element. So now the absolute positioned element containing block is body element. The body element will act as the containing block to the absolute positioned element. Relative element. Oh, the pink element goes beyond to the absolute positioned element. When you give some offset value, they will be positioned. We already tell the reference point. Okay, the pink element just gone beyond the blue element. Now we repositioned the blue element. Now the pink element is still in the norm position value static, and we give the position relative to the pink element, and the pink element is 100%. They are still expand in the container block only. The container element. For the relative elements, their containing block is the direct parent. The direct parent only. Even though the direct parent is not a positioned element. Even though the direct parent is not a positioned element, it still gets the containing block. For fixed element, it always viewport. It always goes to the viewport. It is will act as a containing element. We give 50 percentage. It's only viewport. For sticky element, it is also direct parent only. Now you can see what happened for all static, push, absolute, relative, fixed and sticky elements. Or elements parent is container element. Now container elements, the with percentage values of width, height, padding, margin, and reference points for top, left, bottom, right, offset properties are where are calculated from their parent element. In some situations, positioned elements, position, absolute position, relative position, fixed position, sticky elements, the containing block will be different. Some ancestor will act as a containing blocks. For static element, the direct parent only the containing block. For positioned element, if there is no any positioned elements to its ancestor, then the body element will act as a containing block. For if there is any positioned elements in the ancestor, that positioned element will act as a containing block for the absolute element. For relative element, the direct shell will be act as a relative element. For fixed element, for position fixed element, the viewport is the containing block. The viewport is the containing block. For sticky element, the direct child will act as a containing block. This is the containing block. So containing block is used to calculate the width, height, padding, margin, percentage values, and it will be act as a reference point to the top, left, right, bottom offset properties. So normally HTML elements are in the hierarchy for the parent child relationship, but by using some CSS property we can change the containing block for an element. Normally parent will be the containing block for all HTML elements. By using some CSS property we can change the containing block for some CSS for some properties, some elements for some elements. Okay, I hope you understand the containing block. Thank you. We will see in the next class.